Photography's not going very well while I'm here in Naples. The weather is just not cooperating, and of course, I'm here on a mission, so I kind of have to stick to that schedule. So, anyhow, it's Thursday. It's actually lunch. We have a long break today, so I'm starting my packing now. So, hopefully, tomorrow, which will be my last full day here, I'll be able to head out and get some photography done. But I tell you what, it is absolutely cold here now. I'm looking at the top of Mount Vesuvius, and it's covered in snow. And this all happened about a day ago. So we just canceled our team picnic because it is that cold and no one wants to stand outside and barbecue right now. So anyhow, I'm going to get my packing done, and hopefully we'll be able to get some photography in tomorrow. Okay, here's an unexpected surprise. We are going to go hike up Mount Vesuvius. Fortunately, because of the snow, the top of Mount Vesuvius is closed, so we're actually at the Herculaneum today. Luckily, it was at the same train stop. The Herculaneum was actually buried at the same time that Pompeii was by Mount Vesuvius. The weather looked really great when we got there, but again, like with everything on this trip, as soon as you get to some place, the light goes bad. Very dark area here, so not a lot of photography happening, but we're still going to look around. One of the more interesting features of the Herculaneum were the skeletal remains of the residents who sought refuge in the lower catacombs. Found dead people. But due to YouTube sensitivities, we can't quite show that to you here. Found the communal bath. Disappointing things here is the few intact frescoes that are here at the Herculaneum. One of the things that's disappointing about them is the amount of graffiti and etchings people have made on them. Beautiful place. Just wish that I had more time to visit. Seeing that these are very, very ancient ruins, really don't want to drop my tripod on the ground here. I think that might be a little disrespectful. So some of these images might not be as sharp as what I like. But it's very beautiful here. I mean, yes, it's in ruins, but it's a pretty neat place. Constantly keeping an eye out for something that I can actually sell. I'm actually looking at these columns. They seem to be the most well-preserved columns here, so I think I'm going to try and see if I can do something with them. Even though we are all looking forward to heading up Mount Vesuvius, we still enjoyed the Herculaneum. Most of the images I took today are just going to be background images that I'm going to upload to stock photography. But the entire team had one more adventure together. We had a great meal together, and now it's time to head back to the United States.